Hi, I'm Marshall. In this video, I want to teach you how to read Japanese sentences using N5 Reading Test 7. 3 steps to read Japanese sentences. Step 1 is to find out all particles. Step 2 is to find out all grammar rules. Step 3 is to find out all words. You can pause here and try to answer this question yourself. I will explain everything later. Let's see the question first. リンさんにお菓子をいつどこ買いますか Ni indicates the indirect object of a verb. Wo indicates the direct object of a verb. Ka indicates a question. De indicates the location of an action. Since there are no grammar rules here, so we can skip step 2. Let's see step 3. San in Lin-san is added after surname to be polite. Okashi means snacks. Itsu means when. Doko means where. Kaimasu is a platform of kau, and kau means to buy. Ashita means tomorrow. Supa means supermarket. Okashiya means sweet shop. Asate means the day after tomorrow. So, Lin-san ni okashi o itsu doko kaimasu ka means when and where do you buy snacks for Mr. Lin? これはリンさんがユウさんに書いたメールです。Wa indicates the topic of this sentence. Ga is used to indicate the subject of a sentence when it is emphasized. Ni indicates the receiver of scenes or information. There are no grammar rules here, so we skip step 2. Let's see step 3. Kore means this. San is added after surname to polite. Kaita is the past tense form of kaku, and kaku means to write. Meiru means mail. So, これはリンさんがユウさんに書いたメールです。This is an email that Mr. Lin write to Mr. Yo. あさって春山公園に持っていくお菓子はもう買いましたか Ni indicates the goal of action. Wa indicates the topic of a sentence. Ka indicates a question. Let's see step 2. Teiku is used to indicate that the direction of verb is away from the speaker. Let's see step 3. Asatte means the day after tomorrow. Haroyama is the name of a park here. Koen means park. Motteiku means to bring. Okashi means snacks. Mo means already. Kaimashita is the polite past tense form of kau, and kau means to buy. So, あさって春山公園に持っていくお菓子はもう買いましたか means have you already bought the snacks to take to Haruyama Koen Park the day after tomorrow? 私は明日妹とスーパーの近くにあるお菓子屋へ買いに行きます。Wa indicates the topic of a sentence. To indicates a person with whom an action is performed. No is used to modify something. The first ni indicates the location or existence of animate and inanimate things. He indicates direction. Wo indicates the direct object of verb. The second ni indicates purpose when used with a motion verb that expresses a movement from one place to another. There are no grammar rules here, so we can skip step 2. Let's see step 3. Watashi means I. Ashita means tomorrow. Imoto means younger sister. Supa means supermarket. Chikaku means nearby. Aru means there be. Okashiya means sweet shop. Kai ni ikimasu is a platform of kai ni iku, and kai ni iku means to go to buy. So, 私は明日妹とスーパーの近くにあるお菓子屋へ買いに行きます means tomorrow my sister and I will go to a sweet shop near the supermarket to buy some snacks. 一緒に行きませんか? Ni is used to change 一緒 to an adverb. Ka indicates a question. Masenka means would you like to? It is often used to invite someone. Let's see step 3. Ishoni means together. Ikimasen is the polite negative form of iku, and iku means to go. So, ishoni ikimasen ka means would you like to go with me? Since we can say 私は明日妹とスーパーの近くにあるお菓子屋へ買いに行きます。明日 and お菓子屋. So the answer is 2. Thank you.